Thninkdiag plus app, all system diagnostics. And we can try doing this auto scan if it can detect my car automatically. Scanning VIN information failed. Okay, so it wasn't able to detect automatically my car make. So let's just select Nissan. Okay, but okay, I don't even have Nissan software downloaded. Okay, we are inside, so now we have a bunch of options. We can select car model, we can do full system diagnostics, we can even do some programming and special functions. If you are looking for a new OBD2 scanner but you don't know which one is the best, go on my website. I have tested literally about 200 different OBD2 scanners, and there you can find a list of best tools in every category possible. And maintenance reset. We can do also programming and code settings, but first it wants to input VIN number. Okay, it said VIN couldn't be retrieved. Let's just do manual selection. So this is car from Europe, from Switzerland. Model is Micra K12. This year. Okay, let's try now online programming. We want to scan all systems. Okay, so this will want to first scan all systems. So basically we will do system scan to see which modules we have in car. Okay, so now it did system scan. We also have some faults, but let's forget fault for now because I was trying to get inside this programming. I don't want to. Okay, so does it only scan all systems? Or maybe I have to choose system. Let's try body control module. Okay, so here we are inside coding and programming. So we can do configuration code. So if I would replace my body control module, I can get new code. So before replacement, you would just read out code, save current configuration, and then after replacement you can input new code. So you can even code modules after a replacement. And then this might be some hidden features, yeah. So you can even change some hidden settings, for example auto lock. We can change between these modes, but I'm not sure what mode means what, because I have tried a bunch of scanners, but non-scanner can tell me what these modes mean. So if I want to unlock some hidden settings, it is possible, but this Nissan OBD system is not very cooperating for scanner, so it cannot pull the mode descriptions. So I would just have to try one by one to see which mode. We don't have any extra information, I guess. Yeah, so now I set it to mode number 2, but I don't know what that means. But probably you can Google these modes, so you will know which mode does which setting. So you can even unlock some hidden features. I don't want to do health report, we already have gone through all systems. Let's just select and we will enter one single system. Let's go one more time to this body module. And then inside every system you have another menu. So every system has module information, read fault codes for body module, no faults, data stream, which will update in real time. And then actuation tests. Of course, we can do bidirectional testing, like front wiper. Oh, I have to select speed, so let's do high speed. Execute. Or we can turn on our flasher. Let's do left side. Execute. So in every module we will be able to do some of this bidirectional testing. And work support should be service resets and coding again. Yeah, because most of these codings we checked before are stored inside body module anyway. And then also, if you go out of diagnostics, inside diagnostics we could enter some service resets, but then also you can find them here, maintenance functions. We can try checking Immobilizer, what options we will get. Let's try pulling out PIN code. Okay, good. It can even pull out PIN code for making new keys. We can do remote control matching. Erase all remote key. Okay. Communication error. Wait, let's try it. Yeah, it still works. Let's try one more time. Delete remote control. Okay. No, cannot do that. What about ignition key? Manually select. Okay, so we could also register a new key, but I don't have another key. I need to make a copy of this key, and then we can try it out if it will be able to match it to my Immobilizer. So I will try that one later. But also let's do this automatic scan if it can detect some options for my model directly. Okay, so only register key. So maybe that remote function wasn't even meant to be for this Micra. Okay, but we were inside this already, so let's just go back. I can try it later. So we have 15 of these service resets you can use. And yeah, that's it for Nissan. I have literally tested hundreds of different OBD2 scanners, and I run the best OBD2 scanner website. There you can find best OBD2 scanners for literally every category. You can see real procedures done with the scanner, you can see scanner reviews. Anything related to OBD2 scanners you can find at my website iamkareker.com, and even download free PDF guides like this.